All right. All right. So, good morning, and let's begin with the session. So yesterday I like had no trades, so there is nothing to review, right? And so I had no trades, right? Yesterday no trades, so let's see if there is a if I can get something else today. So for the month, still down, and yeah. So let's see. So the weekly, so the monthly, what I have to review. All right. So what do I have to focus? As always, I have to be mindful about the higher time frame. So let's see. So waiting for the opening range to set up. Now I do like that the 1 hour did break the low, so that candle may close as manipulation. So let's see. Still waiting for the opening range to set up in 9 minutes, and from there we'll see either we have a break and retest trade. So either we have a break and retest, double break, or pullback trade. So far, with all the stats I have now, the double break, the break and retest performed the best, right? So let's see. All right, so at this point, the 1 hour looks healthy, as well as the 15 minutes, right? We do have the swing point on the 15-minute time frame. We also have a the 1 hour liquidity sweep, right? So if price does close above this level here, then price will continue pushing higher. but as I don't take the first breakout, I always wait for price to break first, push whatever price wants, then come back, retest, and then look for the break and retest trade. Now if that doesn't happen, there may be a double break trade, right, to the opening range low, or simply price is going to push out throughout the session, and at the end of my session, obviously, if there was no pullback and retest of the New York or any key level, then I can look for a counter trend trade for 1 hour, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this trade would be a pullback trade, so this trade would be a break and retest trade, and you know, double break would be either from downside or upside. So that's pretty much it. You know, also what is very important is how does the 1 hour candle close really, because now we do have a liquidity sweep, right? Price did sweep the liquidity. Now we do have change in the state of delivery, right here. So at this point, just waiting for price to either push outside the range first, or you know, maybe double break buys would be good too. Alright, so the opening range is set. Opening range high did break now. So now at this point just going to wait for price. Now we do have the break of the range, and really for a good break and retest trade, I would ideally wait for the new 1 hour candle now, because that's what my strategy says, that the best break and retest trade would happen within the 10 a.m. candle, right? So just going to wait. All right, so at this point, if we do close below here, that would be a change in the state of delivery with a, with the liquidity sweep, and maybe this is a double break trade to the downside, because we do sweep the both sides of the range with the 1 hour candle, right? So for seconds, so in the trade, so first trade of the week. So we do have a break of the opening range high first, then we have change in the state of delivery to the downside with a liquidity sweep from the 1 hour from the 1 hour liquidity pool, as well as the 15 minutes. So if that's not a double break, then that's a, price didn't even retest the New York VWAP. Alright, so I really want for price to close below the New York VWAP and continue pushing lower. So we do have still 5 minutes left until the 1 hour candle closure. So so today I'm even going to be finished, not even, you know, what is like half an hour. So 2 minutes left until the 1 hour candle closure, and I would still expect for price to continue pushing lower. So 30 seconds left until the 1 hour candle closure and the new 1 hour candle open. So looks like prices to continue pushing lower, at least to the opening range low, right? And my target is the overnight VWAP because that's the closest key level. We'll see how price does react at the opening range low, right? So new 1 hour candle opened. All right, so nothing really changed. I would still expect for price to continue pushing lower to the overnight VWAP. Alright, so I did close at the opening range low. So that was a pretty good 1 to 1.7 hour trade. And yeah. Let's see, maybe I can try to go long. Alright, so let's log my first trade for the week, which was M&Q. Entry time was at 9:51. That was a 9:51, 9:51, and the exit was at 10:01. So 10 minutes straight. 10. So that was a 10:01. So I did secure 350. So how much did I actually risk for this trade? I risked 200, made 350, which is good. So that was a 2-hour trade. That was a 342, right? 342. That was a 342. 1.7 double break. So the best it went again for me is like how much it went against me. I would say for, yeah, minus 85. Minus 85. That was a 400. A plus, actually A, because so that was short New York. Yes, no mistakes. Price did all right. So all right. All right, so So that was a trade for today. All right, so yep, pretty much it for me. So, you know, could I have closed later? Could I hold trade? Yes I could, but whatever. All right. All right. So So I took 13 trades so far in August. So yeah, I usually take one trade a day. So as you can see, I was risking 1% every trade, but then when I was down for the month, I started to use like 0.5%, right? These two trades were both 0.5% too. These two trades as well, and yeah. So far I am down $100 for the for the for the month. All right, so the daily review the AI coach wrote me. So the clean, well managed double break execution. So you completed one New York AMNQ sure double break and followed the plan, producing the trade was documented as mistake free and managed effectively to the opening range low. This is the strong execution day, but one trade cannot resolve the broader double break directional or confirmation or confirmation filter concerns. Strength positive, right? So weakness, H1 alignment, and the no confirmation were not recorded as separate pre-entry fields. So detailed rule cannot fully verify the single trades. Sample is too small to establish a durable edge for the double breaks at top or short direction. The current wind does not. I mean, everything is here. So this is the issues, right? So the strength and so everything is here. So for the week, for the month, I have 13 trades, right? So everything is here. All right, so So we do have change in the state of delivery now, or we don't. No, we don't. Price did not close, so still waiting. Because maybe there will be a buy opportunity, not gonna lie, because we do have a potential swing point forming on the 15 minutes. 1 hour did break the opening, did break the low, right? So let's see. So my most profitable days is Tuesdays and least profitable is Thursdays. So, that's good information. Now the time analysis, right? So the double break average trade duration 16 minutes, winning duration 20, losing 13. So I have 10 trades, which is 40% win rate performance, right? So 4 trades 9 a.m. and 6 trades 10 a.m. So the double breaks at 9 a.m. works better and I have more profits than the at 10 a.m., right? So pullback is at 10 a.m. always, and the you know break and retest is at 10 a.m. always too. All right. All right, so at this point I will finish the stream. uh, you know, I'm not gonna take any more trades, so even if price just continues pushing lower, it is what it is. I secured my position, and at this point I don't care what price does because I already have secured my position. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one tomorrow.